Okay, first of all, I just want to thank everybody for doing a great job with using the Take a Stance approach toward designing math tasks for students. All across the campus, from kindergarten through sixth grade, Timberwolf students are taking a stance and having opportunities to engage in critical thinking around the content that they are learning in math. So thank you. The goal of this video is to address three aspects of our continuing work around math writing. And those three aspects are 1, design, 2, delivery, and 3, evaluation. All right, so first, let's hit up design. The question is, how should I design a math writing task? Okay, so when it comes to design, we want to consider first the standards, and second, the assessments. When you look at the sample questions that are available in the Smarter Balance website and also on the local measures for the lower grades, what you'll find is that our taking a stance approach is perfect for preparing students to excel. On the CASP, even with questions that don't directly require writing, you'll notice that students who know how to take a stance will be better prepared to engage these questions. The multiple choice tasks that I see in the sample problems at times have answer choices that have words. Think of ways how you can present these types of questions, but in a manner that gives students opportunities, once again, to take a stance. So why present a concept to students in a manner that requires them to talk and write? Why not just present it in a basic multiple choice format that mimics a DOK level 1 or 2 question? Because framing the task in a form that requires students to take a stance and write allows students to engage the concept at a deeper level and also develop their comprehension of and ability to use mathematical language. That's a real plus for students. Of course, in many cases, it's not appropriate to start a unit with taking a stance because students may not be familiar enough with the concepts yet. However, throughout the unit, as they build fluency and have more opportunities to practice the concepts, they will become ready to start taking a stance and to start engaging with each other in critical thinking tasks around the concept. Okay, so the next area to consider is delivery. And the question to ask is, as I deliver instruction related to math writing, what is essential for my students to aim for? So I think the key aspect of your delivery with math writing or anything else really in your curriculum is to aim for expertise. So think about experts in any field. I tend to think of Olympic events such as diving or gymnastics or figure skating. The judges for these events always see nuances that I don't notice, and they can talk about these nuances in very clear and specific ways using clear and specific vocabulary. The key to building expertise is to be intentional about it. There has to be a structure, a discipline around the content that is being learned. Students need opportunities to negotiate the meaning with each other behind the concepts so they can deeply understand and apply. Memorizing steps or algorithms is not enough. Students need opportunities to experience struggle as they engage with each other in problem-solving tasks. And when they fail at times, this is a perfect opportunity for them to construct meaning as they receive and process feedback from their peers and from you. the kids here at Wolf Canyon are so fortunate to have capable teachers who can look at their work, see the gaps, and then provide the feedback and guidance to help them move from point A to point B. Okay, so the last area to consider is evaluation. And the question I ask is, how can I know that quantifiable progress is being made by my students? Okay, so for this, what I'd like to do is share with you a rubric that I developed at my other school. I have a K2 version as well as a 3.6 version. And if you like it, you can adapt it and even modify it to make it work for you. When it comes to math writing, or any writing really, the use of a rubric is definitely the way to go. However, it's essential to get the kids to really own the rubric so that they can set goals for themselves as they work, so that they can learn how to evaluate themselves and each other, and so that they can develop expertise, the ability to talk about their work in a way that shows that they deeply understand and have a clear vision of how to continuously improve.
What helps me in math is my checklist. It tells me like the first part of the sentence and then I write the rest of it.
I love the Lesher model paper we use for math. Oh yeah, that paper's really awesome. When we draw a picture, that really helps us with our explanation. I'm becoming a better writer because the Lesh model helps me understand the math better.
We are using our superpowers for maximum impact to